Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today is Friday, June 11, 2021. It is 11:31 and 32 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, tumors. And feel free to check out my website. So let's hop to it here. An omega-3 that is poison for tumors. Date June 11, 2021. Source, University Catholic of Louvain. 3D tumors that disintegrate within a few days, thanks to the action of a well-known omega-3, DHA found mainly in fish. This is a promising discovery. Hungry for fatty acids, tumor cells in acidosis gorge themselves on DHA, but are unable to store it correctly, and literally poison themselves. The result, they die. So-called good fatty acids are essential for human health, and much sought after those who try to eat healthily. Among the omega-3 fatty acids, DHA, or docosahexaenoic acid, is crucial to brain function, vision, and the regulation of inflammatory phenomena. In addition to these virtues, DHA is also associated with a reduction in the incidence of cancer. Researchers just elucidated the biochemical mechanism that allows DHA and other related fatty acids to slow the development of tumors. Researchers discovered that cells in an acidic microenvironment, acidosis within tumors, replace glucose with lipids as an energy source in order to multiply. Researchers demonstrated in 2020 that these same cells are the most aggressive and acquire the ability to leave the original tumor to generate metastasis. Researchers quickly identified that these acidotic tumor cells responded in diametrically opposite ways, depending on the fatty acid they were absorbing. Within a few weeks, the results were both impressive and surprising. Researchers soon found that certain fatty acids stimulated the tumor cells, while others killed them. The researchers explained DHA literally poisons them. The poison acts on tumor cells via a phenomenon called ferroptosis, a type of cell death linked to the peroxidation of certain fatty acids. The greater the amount of unsaturated fatty acids in the cell, the greater the risk of their oxidation. Normally in the acidic compartment within tumors, cells store these fatty acids in lipid droplets, a kind of bundle in which fatty acids are protected from oxidation. But in the presence of a large amount of DHA, the tumor cell is overwhelmed and cannot store the DHA, which oxidizes and leads to cell death. By using a lipid metabolism inhibitor that prevents the formation of lipid droplets, researchers were able to observe that this phenomenon is further amplified, which confirms the identified mechanism that opens the door to combined treatment possibilities. Researchers used a 3D tumor cell culture system called spheroids. In the presence of DHA, spheroids first grow and then implode. The research team also administered a DHA-rich diet in mice with tumors. The result, tumor development was significantly slowed compared to that in mice on a conventional diet. A research study shows the value of DHA in fighting cancer for an adult. It is recommended to consume at least 250 milligrams of DHA per day, but studies show that our diet provides an average only 50 to 100 milligrams per day. This is well below the minimum recommended intake. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.